In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can download and install TikTok on your Windows computer or laptop. So first thing we need to do, just click on Windows Start menu, then search Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store application. In Microsoft Store search bar, search for TikTok. Press enter. As you see in the left hand side, TikTok application, just click on that. Now to download and install TikTok application on your computer, just click on this get button. It will take few moments to download and install TikTok on your computer. Just wait few moments. Once installed done, click on open. Or you can open TikTok application, just click on Windows Start menu. Then search here TikTok. Just click on the application to open TikTok application. You will get this pop-up. If you want to pin this TikTok application on your taskbar, then click on this checkbox and click on this checkbox to create desktop shortcut. Then click on allow. Now you can use TikTok application on your Windows device. If you want to log in your TikTok account, just click on login button. Just log in your email address and password. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.